Your eye shape is small, like it's relatively smaller than your whole face. So we have to be careful with where we put our eyeshadows. Ag-ala ka ti lighter na concealer. Agkabil ka dito yung center, and then just blend it with your ring finger. Dito iti base ti eyeshadow ta. And then once you apply this now on one eye, you're just gonna have to set it with powder. First time mo gagamitin tong eyeshadow ni Vice. Okay, pigmented to ha. Ag-ala ka ti basit pa nga brush kastoy. Ay mabalin day tayo inusar mo nga pang set. Enjoy kastoy mo. Mas lang nga letter A. So 'di ba meron ka dito? Yan. 'Di ba yung fold mo kitang-kita dito?
Okay.
So ang gagawin natin is lalakihan natin yung mata mo. One of the rules when it comes to making your eyes bigger is to make sure that you're not using an eyeshadow that's too dark or an eyeshadow that will appear like a shadow. So han nga mabalin dagijay gray, dagijay black, han nga magbalin. Masapol mo ka ti bright eyeshadow. So you're gonna pick up the product. And this one from Vice Cosmetics is very pigmented. So you have to tap off the excess on a hard surface. Makita? Alright. Now, we're going to map it out. Okay. So yung susundan mo lang yung fold ng mata mo. Okay? So bitin yung mata mo kasi. Okay. Yung 'di ba dito yan yung normal. Yan yung normal. 'Di ba? Mag-end yung mata mo diyan. Yung mata mo nandito.
Okay.
So ti aramidan tatatakot i-extend ta ti eyes mo. So dito ka maglalagay. Tap mo dito sa fold palabas. Ngayon, dahil may wrinkles yung eyes natin, no, you have to lift from here. Tapos, kunin mo yung blending brush mo. Ang pupuntahan nito, kumbaga, kung merong pinupuntahan ng pressure ng brush, kailangan papasok siya dito sa fold na yan. So, hilain mo siya ng ganon, tapos circular motions dito sa gilid. Yan.
Hanggang saan, Coach?
Hanggang dito, hanggang ma-blend out lang siya. So, yung sa'yo, kasi sobrang liit ng mata mo, Clarissa, dapat, pag binuksan mo yung mata mo, nakikita dito yung shadow. Okay, next. Yung may iwan dito sa brush, i-blend mo siya papasok ng ganyan. Okay, next. Dali takot darker pink nga eyeshadow, di ba? You get again the brush that you used to pick it up, and then you pick up that darker color. Di ba the dulo of your eye is here? It's here, okay. So you press the pigment here on the dulo. It should be lower than the first color. And then you take your blending brush and then blend it inwards. Again, make sure that you're stretching this out para ma-stretch out yung wrinkles natin. Okay, important. Naalala mo yung sinabi ko kanina na hindi pwedeng dark, shadowy, or gray yung eyeshadows natin. Liit yung mata natin. So, dapat itong darkest color dito lang talaga sa dulo. So, it's not like the usual eyeshadows we would do where the darker colors would reach the center. Your eye shape, because it's small already, you have to really control where the darker color is going. That's going to be your culprit. And one. Okay, next. Ag-ala ka ti basit nga brush. It's like, it's even smaller than the nail in my pinky. Masapol mo jay shimmer mat. Okay, so one of the ways on how you can make your eyes bigger is to apply shimmer on a bigger portion on your eyes. Itap mo na siya. Ngayon, dapat mas marami dito sa loob. So, ganyan ka lang. Tapos, habang nawawala yung shimmer, papasok na siya. Makitam?
Yes, Coach.
Ang problema, kapag ka naglalagay ka ng shimmer, makitam jay separation between church and state. Charot. Jay separation between the shimmer and the matte. So, ti aramidam dito, ikot alaom jay blending brush mo, tas ikastam lang. Makitam? Tap mo
Yeah,
ag-merge da.